If you have ever dreamed of launching a faceless YouTube channel but didn't know where to start, you're in the right place. After a decade of running successful faceless channels, I have discovered the top 10 niches that are set to explode in the coming year, from spine-chilling true crime to cutting-edge AI trends. I have got the insider scoop on what's trending and how you can tap into these lucrative opportunities. Also, I will give bonus tips. Watch full video. So, stick around as I break down each niche, share real-life examples ready to dive in and discover your next big YouTube hit. Let's get started. Number 1. True crime. True crime content, especially focusing on interrogations, is becoming very popular. Channels like Explore With Us have millions of subscribers and generate substantial ad revenue. Success in this niche involves following fair use guidelines and gaining many views. True crime videos discuss real criminal cases, investigations, and legal processes. The content often includes details about crimes, suspects, and interrogations, appealing to viewers interested in justice and mystery. Number 2. Artificial Intelligence AI. AI content is rapidly growing, covering topics like AI tools and news. Channels focusing on AI can monetize through affiliate marketing even before YouTube monetization. AI is a future-proof niche with constant advancements. AI content explores advancements in artificial intelligence, including new software, tools, and technology trends. Channels may review AI tools, discuss their uses, and provide updates on AI developments. Number 3. Trail camera videos. Videos from trail cameras, often showcasing wildlife or eerie occurrences, are gaining popularity. Channels like Trail Terror get millions of views and can be monetized through ads. Trail camera videos capture footage from cameras placed in natural settings to monitor wildlife or capture unexpected events. These videos can be intriguing due to their often surprising or spooky content. Number 4. 360 Virtual Reality VR Videos. 360 VR content is on the rise as VR technology becomes more accessible. Channels creating immersive 360 videos can attract a lot of viewers, though creating this content requires special equipment or animation skills. 360 VR videos provide an immersive viewing experience, allowing viewers to look around in all directions. These videos are often filmed with 360 cameras or created through animation, offering unique and interactive content. Number 5. Wealth and Finance. Channels teaching people how to make money online or grow a YouTube channel are thriving. Despite some saturation, offering valuable content and better quality can make your channel stand out. Wealth and finance channels provide advice on earning money, investing, and managing finances. Topics might include ways to make money online, personal finance tips, and investment strategies. Number 6. Travel. Travel content is booming with numerous opportunities to explore different destinations. Channels can attract viewers by showcasing travel tips, best places to visit, and unique experiences. Travel videos cover various aspects of visiting different places, including guides on destinations, travel tips, and highlights of attractions. Channels may focus on both positive and negative aspects of travel destinations. Number 7. Technology. Tech content about new inventions and gadgets is popular. Channels reviewing the latest technology or innovative products can attract significant views and have high ad revenue potential. Technology channels focus on reviewing and discussing new gadgets, inventions, and tech advancements. This includes mobile phones, computers, and other electronic devices, often featuring product demonstrations and analyses. Number 8. Documentaries. Long-form documentary content is increasingly popular as viewers seek in-depth information. Channels producing detailed documentaries on various subjects can attract large audiences. Documentaries provide comprehensive and informative content on various topics, such as historical events, business origins, or cultural phenomena. They often involve thorough research and storytelling. Number 9. Scary videos. Scary content, such as ghost stories or creepy phenomena, is consistently popular. Channels in this niche can attract millions of views, though it requires a high volume of content to generate significant revenue. Scary videos cover eerie or unsettling topics, including ghost stories, paranormal activities, and horror-related content. These videos aim to entertain and scare viewers with suspenseful and spooky material. Number 10. Health. Health-related content, like fitness and nutrition advice, is thriving. Channels can monetize through ad revenue and affiliate marketing of health products. Content can be created using stock footage and voiceovers. Health channels focus on topics like fitness, nutrition, and wellness. They provide advice on healthy living, weight loss, exercise routines, and other health-related issues. So, now time to give you bonus tips. To increase revenue, consider affiliate marketing for relevant products in your niche. For example, promote AI tools, financial courses, travel guides, tech products, or health supplements. Thanks viewers for watching and promises more valuable content in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest tips. Have questions? Drop a comment below. Until next time, keep learning and stay inspired. See you in the next video. Keep hustling, keep learning, and stay awesome. See you in the next video.